with my new recipe. Today I will show you Bengali special puri. We are calling it luchi. So for that I need maida, all purpose flour, atta, salt and refined oil. I will show you how to prepare dough for puri. You see, here I am taking 4 teaspoon maida. With that I will add only 2 teaspoon atta. Again I will add little pinch salt as per taste. Then I will add little oil. Again I will add water and I will make a clear dough. One smooth dough I will prepare and I will come back with you. See, I am preparing a smooth dough. It's not too hard and not too liquid type. You need to make it a soft dough. You see this dough I need to prepare more. So I am doing that. If need, you can add little bit of all purpose flour just for cleaning your hand. So I am doing same. At last my dough is ready, but for cleaning my hand I am using little oil, taking little oil in my hand. Then I will press it properly. You see, this dough maida is coming out from my hand. That means my dough, puri dough is fully ready. So guys, you wait 2 minutes. I will prepare the, see, my dough is ready here. In between, before preparing puri, I will switch on my induction oven. Then I will pour it oil here. Once this oil will heat, then I will, in between I will prepare my puri here. See guys, I will make this big dough in a small pieces. In this size, I will prepare 3 or 4. I will prepare 4 pieces here. Then I will put little oil in my plate. Then I will put little oil here also. Then I will start to make puri here. Like that way I will prepare one round ball shape. Then I will press it a proper way. Then I will make it puri. Like same way I will prepare 2-3 puri at a time. Like that way I am making a round shape. I am pressing it 3-4 times. Then I am just taking up, down, fold it, up, down. In same way I am preparing my 4 all puris. See, here I already started to heat my oil, but friends, how I will understand my oil is become hot? So first you take this type of small amount atta dough, then you put it here. If oil is fully ready for frying a puri, see how it is frying. It means my oil is ready to fry one puri. Now I will start to fry my puris. I will take puris and I will put it here. See how it's coming. my puri is ready. I will come back with with puri I will serve aloo curry. I will come back with aloo curry. So guys, now I come back with, I need to prepare one aloo curry which is called in Bengal aloo dom. So for that I need 3 big size aloo, 1 big size tomato, 1 big size tomato, 1 big size onion, and this here I am using 15 to 20 garlic, 1 small amount ginger and 3 green chilies as per my taste. If you want more spice, you can add more spice for more chilies. Then I will peel these potatoes and I make a full paste with these 4 ingredients and I will come back within 2 minutes. Then I take a jar, mixer jar. Then I take this onion and I will cut it four pieces. Same ways this tomato also I will cut in 4 pieces. I will cut that green chilies also in a small pieces. All ingredients I am putting on a mixer bowl. Here already my ginger I shown you. This ginger I will cut in a small pieces. Then I will put this whole garlic in a jar. Then I will make a paste. Then I will come back within a 2 seconds. I will cover it with lid. I will come back 2 seconds. Now my paste is ready. I will open it first. And you see my paste is ready here. Now I will start my preparation. Then I will peel out these potatoes and I will cut it in a 4 pieces. First I will cut and I will come back with you. See, I am cutting this, peel out this all potatoes in this way. Now my mixture is ready here. Now mixer paste is ready here. I will open it and I will show you guys how paste I prepare. Now I switch on my induction oven. My induction oven power I given 600. In this situation I will use oil, that is half cup oil. I am using here. Then I will wait for 2 to 3 minutes for heating the oil. My oil already hot. Then in this situation I will put 1 pinch salt and 1 pinch turmeric powder, and I am adding Kashmiri mirch powder 1 pinch because of color. It will give good color after frying these all potatoes. Then I will start to fry it in a low flame. And I will cover it with a lid and I will come back after frying these potatoes. I came back. You see guys, my potato already fried and its color also changed here. this become a golden brown color. Don't fry more, otherwise taste will go. So now I will take out all those potatoes from karai. Just safely you take it out, then kept it aside. Then now I will start my masala. Here I am using this whole masala. Here I have whole jeera, 2 red chili, dry red chili, and whole garam masala, long, elaichi and cinnamon seeds and bay leaf. I am putting all those ingredients in this oil. Just I will cut it and I will give it here. I will give this whole masala here. Then I will fry it low flame for 2 to 3 seconds. Once it's fried done and one smell will come out from this and our masala color also will change. Once smell come out, you can get the smell. On this moment you add this puree here. You add this puree here with the spoon, you give it there. Then you cook it first. Whenever you are giving this puree in kadai, you just put up your oven flame or gas oven flame. You just high flame. Just fry 2 to 3 minutes. I will fry it 2 to 3 minutes. After frying, I will come back with you. See, now I am opening my lid and guys, you see my paste masala already fried, all oil came out. So in this situation, I will add haldi, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste. Here I am using 1.5 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, and again I am using here Kashmiri mirch powder 1 teaspoon, which give a good color in our food. So I will cook it 2 to 3 minutes again. In this time you can put your gas flame in medium and you cook. I will come back with 2 minutes. I will come back with 2 minutes. My 2 minutes over, so I came back. You see, full oil came out in this karai. So my masala already prepared. In this situation, I will add here little coriander leaves, which is I chopped, already finely chopped here. I will add it here. Then again I will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I will add here this fried potato, which I already fried before. These potatoes I will add here. Then I will mix it well. After mixing it, once you can get the smell of this cooking, on that time you add it here little water. As per gravy you want, you add little water and again you mix it. I am using one more time little water because potato needs to boil. So after giving water, after mixing all those masalas, I will cover it again. I came back after 15 minutes. My already aloo curry is ready now. You see the color. Now I will check my aloo is already cooked or not. Just press potato like this. Just see my potato already cooked. So now I will serve it with puri. I will put off my oven, then I will serve it with puri. And at last I will garnish it with some coriander leaf. And my aloo curry and puri is ready. So guys, you try it once and comment, share and like if you like it, and tell me. I will come back with a new recipe in our Indian home food. Thank you for seeing my video. I will come back again. Thanks.